Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an Insta post on Canva. So basically, first you need to know what is Canva. Canva is used for designing any post or making any. You can make videos, you can make presentations. It has preset templates that can be used, or you can build something from scratch. And there are a lot of options that you can choose from. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to Canva and you need to sign up or log in. I already had an account, so I already, signed up and I'm logged in already. So here you can see a lot of options are there: presentations, videos, prints, and more options. You can make flyers, Instagram story, presentations, LinkedIn videos, crafts, brochures, business cards. So anything you want to make, you can even make logos for your, brand if you want to. So there are a number of options that you can choose from. So today we are going to make an Instagram post. So for that you need to click on create a design, and then from here you need to choose the right option for Instagram post. So basically here you can see the standard size. So this is the reason you need to choose the right thing, because then you will opt for the standard size of that particular platform. Now here either you can build something from scratch, or even if you have just started or you don't have the time, better to go with the preset templates option, and you can choose from there. Now first thing I would recommend you to do is name your project, whatever you are making. Suppose we'll make a post on webinar. Okay, so you can just name it that, so it will be easier for you to search afterwards. If the projects get lost, it will be easier. So now you can see number of options are there: templates, elements, uploads, text, photos, styles, audios, videos, logos, everything is there. So let's make one from template. So you can just write webinar or workshop if you want to write, and you will get a lot of options. So these are the preset templates that are already present in Canva. You can choose from there. So you can opt for whatever you think is right and whatever you think goes with your brand color or whatever you like. So let's suppose I chose this. So now what you can do, you can, move any element you want to, place whatever you think you like, or you can change color. Suppose I don't want the orange color, so I can change it to black. This I want maybe orange, so I can change that to orange. If you want to change, you can also change the font. If you maybe you don't like this font, you can change. You get a lot of options from here you can choose from. Maybe I'll go with this. So I chose this font. Try and make the font same throughout your post. It looks more professional and good. If you don't want to add in picture, you can just remove the option by clicking on delete an image. If you want to have an image, it's up to you. If you want to increase the size of something, you click on it and you'll see the size is 76, and you can increase it. If you don't, if you want to decrease it, you can click on the minus size to decrease it. If you want to change the color of your text, you can choose from a lot of options. Also, one amazing thing, if you like any color from here or any other thing, you can just click on the picker. It's the color picker. You can move from anything and you'll get the right color for that. Suppose you like this color. So see, this color came and you can choose from here. So I'm keeping this as black. Now you can add any illustration here. It's a webinar on how to use Canva, correct? So you can, choose the actual size as well. You can place it in middle, in the right, however you want. You can even move the image design if you want to, or you can, change, flip it, reverse it, however you like. You can also flip it. If I click on flip, it will flip. If I click on flip vertical, it will flip. So you can decide whatever you want. If you deleted something by mistake, you can just quickly click on Control Z and you can just undo and it will get back. Or you can just click on, this and this to do undo as well. If you, want to group move something and don't want to displace it, you can just quickly group them. So see, now they'll move together. Okay. Um, and now you want to add any illustrations, more illustrations, to fill up the space. So you can just, see and browse from here, and whatever you think is right, you can just, opt for it. So maybe I want to add this. Okay, I can add this. Now if you want to download this template, you can just click on share and you can download it. For download, you get a lot of options: PNG, JPG, PDF, whatever, SVG, in whatever type you want to download it. So I'll download it in JPG, and I can download from here, and it will get downloaded. So if you click on it, you can see that our Instagram post is ready, and it looks decent. Whatever you can build anything you want here very easily. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, you can just subscribe our channel.